Furnace inspection September 12, 2025 at Brookport Drive. Customer's blower was just pulled, and I found on the air deflection of the blower an apple core, melted plastic, a bunch of other debris inside the blower, and then when I look up into the heat exchanger I see melted plastic and linoleum. So I'm going to try and get this stuff out of here. This should prove to be interesting. Hopefully I'm still filming. It's a great big piece of plastic. Oh. See if I can reach this linoleum. Yeah, it's a piece of linoleum. What other treats do we have in here? Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Got to get that stuff out of there. Just a visual of what I just pulled out of the heat exchanger. All this melted debris. Our motor looks like it's got a little bit of an oil weep. Other than that, it's not too bad. Get this cleaned up. But I'm very happy to have been able to get all of this stuff out of the heat exchanger. I have no idea what this looks like. It might have been I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's out of there now and the furnace is safe. This stuff probably would have been smoldering against the heat exchanger for quite some time, and at one point would have filled the house with a little bit of hazy smoke. This is Keith, the furnace guy.